Permeable pavers are a special type of pavement designed to allow water to infiltrate through the gaps in the surface, reducing stormwater runoff. Permeable paver systems can utilize various types of materials like pervious concrete, porous asphalt, grid pavers, and interlocking concrete pavers. The surface material is laid upon a layer of stone bedding, which rests on top of a stone reservoir which temporarily stores and then filters and releases the water into underground waterways. Permeable pavers are most often used for smaller scale applications compared to other stormwater systems. Examples include driveways, parking lots, sidewalks, and patios, especially in areas with high rainfall or where additional drainage capability may be necessary, such as in urban areas where most surfaces are completely impervious. Since rainwater filters directly through the surface layer, it helps to prevent the formation of puddles and minimizes the burden on other drainage systems. Permeable pavers can help keep your property free of rainwater buildup while simultaneously keeping our waterways clean and healthy.